Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing the workspace and protecting floors and trim. Do it now. Clean the block with a 110 bleach solution to remove efflorescence and mold. Rinse thoroughly, then wait 24 hours to fully dry. Once dry, apply a masonry primer using a 1/4 nap roller on flat faces and a 2-angled brush for mortar joints. This improves adhesion and seals porous concrete. Make sure to overlap brush and roller passes for even coverage before the first coat cures. You move into the main painting phase with acrylic masonry paint. Choose 100% acrylic for flexibility and breathability. Thin up to 10% water only if the paint resists application, and stir continuously. Roll across the block faces with a 1/2 nap roller to push paint into texture, then back roll immediately to even it out. Use an angled brush to cut mortar lines and tight corners. Keep a wet edge as you work so lap marks don't form and the finish stays uniform. You finish by inspecting and applying a second coat after 4-6 hours when indicated by the paint label. Check for thin spots or voids and repair them immediately. Once fully cured, consider a masonry sealer for extra protection. Apply only after 24-48 hours post-paint. If peeling or blistering happens, stop. Scrape loose paint, sand rough edges, reprime those areas, and confirm the substrate is completely dry before repainting. This approach prevents recurrence and extends the life of the finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.